Hey everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone, and hey, you know what? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make tasty, crunchy lentils. Now you're thinking like, what the fuck, crunchy lentils? But you know, these are a really great substitute for croutons. So if you wanna have something crunchy in your salad, you can put these in instead. So if you're gluten-free, boom, crunchy lentils. And you know, it's also a really fun like soup topper. So if you have a favorite, like, you know, cream of tomato soup, you could put some crunchy lentils on that too. You know, another thing about it versus say croutons is these are packed with protein and they're also really easy to make. So let me show you. Okay, so to make the spice mix for this, these crunchy lentils, I'm gonna grind up my spices in a spice grinder or a coffee grinder just so I can evenly coat them. So we have some chili pepper flakes there, some oregano, and some garlic powder. And now I'm just gonna grind them so they can evenly coat the lentils. Okay, so there we go. Got our spices ready. So, you know, I didn't add any salt to this recipe because I think they're really good without the salt, but if you want to, you can totally do that. I think that they are perfect salt-free, but that's up to you. So I just have some lentils here that have just been cooked per the package instructions. Gonna add in some olive oil and fully mix them just to coat them. Now add the spices to the mix. And now let's just mix it all together. Okay. Let me go ahead and preheat the oven to 400 degrees. You want to spread the lentils out on a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper. And just spread them out to a single layer. And now we're just gonna bake them. So I'm thinking I definitely want to explore some other crunchy lentil flavors because I really enjoyed these a lot. And this is just sort of a base recipe with oregano and the garlic and the chili. So it's not super complicated. It's just, like I said, it's great on soups, it's great on salads. It's a wonderful little topper. But if there's something that you like, a particular flavor combination that you love, I want to know what that is. So drop a comment below and tell me, and I'll start working on those immediately, okay? And there you go. We have our crunchy lentils. I just baked these for about 30 minutes. Perfect. So that's all it takes to make these tasty, crunchy lentils, right? And like, it's a fun little snack. I mean, it's great on salad, it's great on soup, but you also can just eat them straight out of the bag and they're packed with protein, super healthy, no salt, right? Like, wonderful. I wanna know what you think. If you like this recipe, hey, drop a comment below, or if there's something else that you wanna see. If it's your first time watching and you liked it too, give me a thumbs up. And if you love to cook, subscribe. I release a new video every single week, and I will see you guys next time.